गाइस वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। दिस इज पूजा और आज की वीडियो बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्पेशल होने वाली है। वैसे तो मैं ये हमेशा ही कहती हूँ बट ये वाली सच्ची में स्पेशल है। इफ़ यू आर फॉलोइंग मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, आप लोगों को पता होगा कि मैंने थर्सडे को एक पोस्ट डाला था दैट आई विल बी टेकिंग ऑन 30 डेज ऑफ हैप्पीनेस चैलेंज। ये चैलेंजेस यूट्यूब पे बहुत ज़्यादा अभी ट्रेंड में है और ये आज से नहीं बहुत पहले से चल रहे हैं। बट आई थिंक दीज चैलेंजेस मेक्स यू फील मोटिवेटेड टू डू सर्टेन थिंग्स जो आप रेगुलर लाइफ में नहीं करते हो। तो व्हाट आई थॉट वाज व्हाई नॉट क्रिएट समथिंग जिसमें आप अपने घर के कंफर्ट में रह के कुछ ऐसा कर सकते हो जिससे आपको खुशी मिले। व्हेन आई वाज क्रिएटिंग दिस कैलेंडर आई हैड दिस थिंग इन माइंड कि मैं वो चीज़ें डालूंगी जो हम रेगुलरली इवन इफ़ यू आर वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम या इवन इफ़ यू हैव किड्स एट होम, तो तब भी आप ये अपने रूटीन में बहुत ईजिली इनकॉर्पोरेट कर सकते हो बिकॉज दीज आर वेरी वेरी simple things that we often tend to forget. I'll just give you a background of what I'm going to do. I have created this calendar and in this calendar I have listed 30 simple things that you can do to stay happy. And these are very very simple things, तो आपको करने में बिल्कुल भी मुश्किल नहीं होगी। And इसका एक बहुत अच्छा सा बेनिफिट है दैट यू डू नॉट हैव टू स्टार्ट इट विद मी फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग। अगर आपको 5th डे में या 6th डे में ऐसा फील होता है कि यार मैं अब स्टार्ट करके देखती हूँ, आई थिंक दिस इज वर्किंग फॉर हर, तो आई शुड ऑल्सो ट्राई, तो आपको ये ज़रूरत नहीं है कि आप फर्स्ट डे से शुरू हो जाओ। यू कैन जस्ट स्टार्ट विद एनी डे एंड जस्ट ट्राई टू डू ऑल द 30 थिंग्स वेन एवर यू स्टार्ट। तो जैसे आपने 5th डे से स्टार्ट किया तो मे बी आपके पहले की 4 चीज़ें मिस हो गई होंगी, तो यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट इट। जस्ट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द 5th डे and try to follow the 6th day routine, 7th day, 8th. Gradually you'll come back to 1. तो आप अपने 30 days कैसे भी पूरे कर सकते हो, it's up to you. So yeah, now that I've given you the background of what we are going to do, let's just get into the video and see how I'm going to follow it. So without any further ado, let's get started. फोन हियर जिसमें मैंने 30 चीजें नोट करी दी हैं। सो आई क्विकली टेल यू दीज 30 थिंग्स दैट यू विल बी फॉलोइंग विद मी। तो द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई kept in the calendar is wear a good outfit. No, to wear a good outfit these days is pretty challenging, but I am planning to wear a very good outfit on the first day of my challenge and I'll be posting a picture as well on Instagram marking it as my first day of the 30 days of happiness challenge. If you plan to do it, do not forget to use the hashtag 30 days of happiness, tag Pixie Rides on Instagram, post it in your stories, या अगर आप अपने feed पे भी post कर रहे हो तो please don't forget to tag me and I'll be happy to repost it on my Instagram stories. This can also be your chance to get a free shout out from me. Second thing that I have mentioned is watch your favorite movie. It could be your childhood favorite, it could be your current favorite movie from your teenage. कुछ movies से हम connect हो जाते हैं, वैसी movies. Third thing is change your wallpaper. I know हमारा phone हम जब भी खोलते हैं तो हमें ना एक बहुत क्लटर्ड सा लगता है और ऐसा लगता है कि यार ये तो इतना पुराना हो गया या कुछ, बट आई थिंक वन थिंग दैट ऑलवेज वर्क्स फॉर मी इज चेंजिंग द वॉलपेपर. सो यू कैन डू इट ऑन योर फोन और योर लैपटॉप, वट एवर वर्क्स फॉर यू. फोर्थ थिंग इज मेक अ प्ले लिस्ट ऑफ योर फेवरेट सॉन्ग्स. सो आई रिसेंटली मेड अ प्ले लिस्ट ऑन Spotify. If you want, I'll put the link in the description below. Fifth point is phone a friend. You can call your friend, you can call your work buddy, maybe a cousin of yours. Just call someone and talk your heart out. That always works and it really makes you happy. Sixth thing is spend time in nature. Spend some time in your balcony with your plants, with your pets, or maybe just with yourself. Next thing is write in your journal. I've been stressing on the fact to write whenever you feel low, and trust me guys, it always works. It helps you clear your thoughts and it helps you in a lot many ways. Next thing is dance on your favorite song. It could be anything. Next thing, then declutter your phone. Thing is do makeup, groom yourself, feel good. Then next thing is learn a new skill, and by learning a new skill I mean if you're planning to take that guitar lesson and you are not being able to do that, this is your signal. Go and do it. Next is practice your hobby. It could be anything. If you like reading, if you like dancing, singing, whatever works for you and makes you happy. Next thing is write 3 major life goals, and I don't want you to write just I want to be a doctor or I want to be an engineer. You mention that I want to be a doctor because I want to help people, or a fashion designer because I love designing. So things like that. Not write for the sake of writing 3 major goals. Take as much time as you want and then do that. Next we have is listen to a motivating podcast. My personal favorite is The Ranveer Show. I love Be a Myself. Having said that, you can also check my podcast. It's Picks Easy by Pooja Sharma. Life Made Simpler. I think I have a couple of episodes there which can really help you have a good perspective of life. So definitely check that. I'll put that in the description below. Next up is talk to your parents. Your parents are good people with good life experiences. You should definitely spend some time with them and talk about life, talk about things that matter, talk about things that bothers you, and have a good time with them. Next up we have is make your favorite drink. I think I'll be making some iced tea from me right after this, and if you are also someone who loves iced tea or cold coffee or a drink that you can easily make yourself, definitely do that. I don't know मैंने definitely कितनी बार बोल दिया इस पूरी वीडियो में, so make sure you count that and comment down below कि definitely word मैंने कितनी बार यूज़ करा है. I think definitely मैंने बहुत बार यूज़ कर दिया है. Next up we have is do 15 minutes workout. 19th point, send a special note to someone. I would not suggest you to send a special note to your ex because that would complicate things, but if you want to do that, you can. Next thing we have is drop 5 comments on 5 social media accounts. I would suggest to drop 5 comments to people who actually reply back. When you drop a comment with your heart, kind of get a reply from the person from their heart. So that's the heart to heart connection that builds up there. I don't know if I'm making sense, but I think you get my point. तो अगर आप अपने दिल से किसी के भी प्रोफाइल पर एक बहुत ही प्यारा कमेंट छोड़ोगे तो जब वो आपको रिप्लाई करेंगे तो आपको बहुत अच्छा फील होगा और आई थिंक दैट रियली वर्क्स. दिस पॉइंट इज एक्सक्लूसिवली प्रैक्टिस्ड बाय माय सिस्टर एंड जब उसने मुझे बताया दैट शी इज़ बीन फॉलोइंग दिस फ्रॉम क्वाइट सम टाइम एंड इट्स गिविंग अ गुड वाइब, I actually took that into consideration and I started doing that, and trust me guys, it really works. Next thing we have is compliment yourself. Go in front of that damn mirror and tell yourself that you are the most beautiful girl on this planet, or you are the most handsome guy or beautiful guy on this planet, and you deserve to get everything you want. So we have is cook your favorite meal. Even if you don't know how to cook, just go and cook some Maggi for yourself if that's your favorite and call it a day. But do something for you, cook something for you and have it. Next up we have is compliment a friend but not on their looks. I know most of the times हम लोग एक दूसरे की pictures पे comment करते रहते हैं, you look hot, you look lovely, you look beautiful, I love your makeup, whatever, but do not compliment on their looks. Compliment on something like their intelligence, like their wisdom, like their nature or how they are with you. Next up we have is click a smiling selfie. A smiling selfie, I mean this and not this. I hope you get my point. Next we have is drink 2 liters of water. I just hope I'll be able to do that. मैंने अभी भी 1 घंटे से पानी नहीं पी. Next up we have is enjoy your favorite fruit. Next up we have is read a book for 10 minutes. It could be a book that you're already reading or pick up a new book and read 10 pages. Next up we have is meditate for 5 minutes. Next up we have is post a throwback picture with caption, and by that I mean since we are stuck at our homes और हम कहीं बाहर जा नहीं पा रहे हैं तो अपनी गैलरी में या अपनी एल्बम से कोई भी अच्छी सी फोटो निकालो. स्पेंड सम टाइम ऑन इट, लाइक थिंक अबाउट व्हाट यू वर डूइंग एट दैट टाइम एंड हाउ इट मेड यू फील एट दैट मोमेंट, और वो सब ना लिखो, कोशिश करो एक कैप्शन में लिखने की, and then post it on your Instagram or your Facebook or whatever social media you are active on, and then see how you feel when people look at it. And you could also tag a couple of your friends if it's a group picture, and I think it will definitely make you happy. Last thing we have for the challenge is write a letter to your future self. So I did this a while ago when I was about to get married. So in 2019 I wrote a letter to myself for my future self, and I don't know how and why I did that, but it was right in the middle of a work day. I was on a 15 to 20 minutes break. I was there at my workstation, wrote that letter, and अपनी सारी feelings जो मुझे थी उस time पर, like all my confusions, my वरी, माई एंगजाइटी, माई थॉट्स, जो भी एक लड़की को होते हैं बिफोर गेटिंग मैरिड ऑब्वियसली, वो सब कुछ मैंने उसमें लिख दिया. एंड आई इवन रोट हाउ आई वॉज नॉट श्योर वेदर आई शुड गेट मैरिड और क्या करूँ, तो सब कुछ उसमें लिखा. एंड यू वोंट बिलीव गाइज, व्हेन आई गॉट दैट लेटर इन 2020, व्हेन आई सॉर्ट ऑफ कंप्लीटेड अ ईयर ऑफ मैरिज, तो मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. बिकॉज यू नो व्हेन थॉट्स दैट यू हैड इन योर माइंड एट दैट टाइम were valid, but now it does not make any sense because you have grown, you have come so far, and that gives you a kind of confidence that अगर तुमने उस टाइम को overcome कर लिया तो maybe whatever you were going through right now you would be able to overcome that as well. ये नहीं कहूँगी 2020 में मैं बहुत ही amazing mindset में थी, but when I got that letter it quickly changed my perspective towards life and it quickly gave me the kind of motivation that I needed. और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. Honestly, I do revisit that letter. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I'm pretty sure that जब आप वो letter receive करोगे 1 साल बाद या 2 साल बाद, whatever you set your date as, आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. So just make sure you write this letter from your heart. Just put in all your emotions and feelings into that letter, because I am sure that when you will receive it in the future, you will love it. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. I just hope you take on this challenge and you join me in this 30 days of happiness journey. If you do, please मुझे Instagram पे tag करना मत भूलना. I'll be posting every day on Instagram कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. If I am able to do that or not, I just hope कि मैं कर पाऊँ. And yeah, if you're on this channel for the very first time, check out all my videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I make pretty awesome content on all my socials. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and Snapchat. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.